Good morning, everybody. This is Carl from Abundant Living, Ecuador. Welcome to beautiful Vilcabamba, Ecuador. I'm here in my backyard, barefoot on the grass on this beautiful Tuesday morning. As you can see, we got a little bit of clouds up here in the sky. It's the tail end of the rainy season. Typically April is kind of the last month of the rains. Then May comes and we get some nice, beautiful blue skies and sunny days. So today I wanted to request something from you, from our viewers, from our subscribers here on the YouTube channel. We're gonna do a Q&A, ask us anything. So if you have any questions about Vilcabamba, the area, anything you'd like to ask us, please write in the comment section down below. We are probably gonna invite a local guest on the podcast as well, so you can get a local perspective from a local Ecuadorian. Please write your comments in the comment section down below. We hope to see you in a few days for our Q&A, Ask Us Anything. We hope to see you here one day, and until then, we will see you next time.